Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. This is Ramon Escalera. I want to share with you uh, the results of the last couple of days. The last video I created was on 6/6, just 2 days ago. That was around here. As you can see, it's now I moved up on 6/7, so I got paid a decent amount. I mean, that was a $100 investment, but I decided to go in bigger. I put in about 5K into the company, and now my payouts are going to change. And so every day I should be making around 42 bucks, as you can see here. This is the hash rate that I purchased. It's called the SHA-256. It has 43.33 THs hash rates. I know I was saying megahertz. It's actually mega hashes. So I used the wrong terminology the last video. I do apologize for that. But as you can see here, this is with the 5,100 bucks investment into this company. This company, what they do is they mine. They have a data center in Estonia. I'm going to go ahead and share a couple of things. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to open up their Facebook fan page so you can actually see that they actually have a Facebook fan page and so on. And then we'll take a look at the company as well. So give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. This is their Facebook page, as you can see here. They have about 12,504 people following their Facebook page. They have 11,125 people talking about the site. And as you can see, they're interacting. They're letting us know about the company. They have, I mean, these are the owners here. These two here, they don't speak English. Obviously, they're from Estonia. They speak a different language. But as you can see, they're showing the Polybius is the company behind Hashflare, the company. So this is the website. This is a little bit about them, what they do, what they offer. They've been around for 3 years, okay? So they have experience. And I said this in the last video, since 2013, it's 2017. This is why I made my decision to put money here. Okay, this is their Facebook, this is their phone number, this is their contact information, where they're located. You can look them up on Google Maps and show exactly where they are in what city, etc. Very transparent. I can't beat that with the bat. I mean, that's a great thing to know. If you want to learn more about them, they do have about, this is their actual structure. They tell you their data center, how modern, you know, it has the general, tells you the facility, the security compliance, electricity. Now the technical specifications, because some people are investing a lot of money. You're talking millions of dollars. They just took in $11 million from investors like us. So they have to be, you know, qualified. Nobody's gonna put money in a company that's not looking good. You get the idea. Anyways, the data center tells you what kind of mining they're doing, what they're doing a week, internet connectivity, remote administration racks, APC Riddle. The general features, they have reinforced concrete, ground floor and raised. They have low flood area, DC rooms 20 m above sea level, I guess 20 meters. Electrical engineers, network engineers, security personnel, monitoring staff is on site. Standard compliance, as you can see here. ISKE, standard compliant rooms, tier level 2. EVS and ISO 9001-2008 certificate for quality management system. That ITIL qualified personnel. Their connectivity, 2 independent optic fiber routes, Taylor Sonora Elion, SDH and MPL's technology. The power, 4 independent connections to the national power grid, 2 MWs, 4 times 10K volts, automatic transfer switch ATS, N+1 redundancy. Now this is like different language to me, but you get the idea. They also have a diesel 850 kV. Now I seen a picture of this. Fuel for 48 hours of continual service at site. Waterproof and fire resistant cabling on 3-level trays. The cooling system, because obviously mining takes a lot of equipment, takes a lot of power. And this is the reason why I chose this company. Cloud mining is you using their equipment. That's it. That's what cloud mining is. Instead of you buying yourself, your own equipment at home, you raising up your electricity, buying equipment, doing your own mining, which you know you cannot compete, especially with a company like this, So we decided to create what's called, decided to do cloud mining. Now, cloud mining, they have bigger, obviously bigger machines, a lot more power is being consumed, but you're investing in this type of company where they do the cloud mining. They have the machines. They're the one using the electricity. You're putting your money in, obviously to help them pay the bills. Number one, to build better software. Now they're making their money, but in the same return, they're paying you a percentage profit every day, every week, every month, and they give you a statistic of how much money you're going to make depending on how much money you put in. Now, that's a wonderful thing, and I'm going to explain a few things after I show you the company. This is safety protection, as you can see here, and then pictures of the facility. This is their data center. I don't know about you, but I don't have an empty room big enough to house equipment like this. Okay, there's the engine, the diesel engine that we're talking about, or this is the, yeah, that's got to be it. And look at the cable. I mean, this thing is huge. There's the power center. That's the electricity center area. I'm sure of it. And then a little bit about them. You can read more about them. You can see them on the Google map. You can check more on the company, the press release. I love that they do this because it's very important to communicate with your investors. Okay, so here we go. Hashflate is a division of Hash Coins, a company founded in 2013, known for manufacturing and sale of cryptocurrency mining equipment. Extensive experience and good feedback from customers build trust and guarantee safety of investments. Do your daily diligence. I'm going to add my link below. I think this is a great company to mine with. So far, so good. I'm going to show you some more results. So let me go ahead and get off of this page. I'm already kind of go through it a little bit. I'm showing you that they're here. They're talking to us, okay? Polybius was doing an event, and they got, believe it or not, over $11 million, these guys. So they're not small guys. They're big guys, and they big as in business big. So I mean, like anything else, if I can see the owners, I can see the company. They're being transparent. That's a company I want to be with. Like anything else, investing is a risk. Period. I don't care who you are, where you're putting your money. It's a risk. So I like to warn everybody before, because if something happens, I don't want to be responsible. You have to do your due diligence. You have to know that there's risk involved with investing, period. Stock market, wherever, if you're putting money in someone's hands and they're going out investing, there's a risk involved. But the rewards are far greater. So that's why it's always beneficial to get a better understanding of who you're investing with. Because if you know who they are, what they're investing about, what kind of money you're putting in, what kind of money you're getting back, that's when things start to change. So anyways, enough of my blabber. Here we are. So I invested a little bit more money. Okay. Now, this is not going to make you rich overnight, but that's not what it's supposed to do. I'm not trying to be rich overnight. I'm trying to make money with the company. Yes, like anyone else, I put my investment in, and I'm expecting to get my investment back and some. That's the goal anyway. I will get in 6 months, I will have received more than what I invested. That's the goal. As you can see, they give you stats. So in 6 months, I'll be making 7 point. Now, I don't know about you, but if you got 5,000, 10,000 laying around, sitting in the bank, and ain't doing jack shit for you, excuse my language, I'm trying to flip that. Now, can you let that go? That's the question. Can you let that money go? Can you take that money, take it out of the bank where it's not making you any money, and put it into something like this and stop ragging in the dough? Now, again, it is possible, but things do happen, and I want to make sure you're aware of that. So are you willing to risk this money? Okay. So I'm sitting in on Bitcoin, and every time Bitcoin goes up a few $100s, when it starts touching 3,000, I'm making money because I have them sitting on a lot of Bitcoin. I sell some of that Bitcoin, and I invest it in companies like this. That's how I do with my money. This is the profit that I use to create even more money. You don't want to just sit on cash. You turn it into cash, it's no longer going to grow. Because $1 is always going to be $1. $20 is always going to be $20. You get the idea. I don't need to educate you on that part. This is why I'm investing in companies like this. This is why I'm investing in gold and silver. It's very important to understand that gold rises, silver rises, and go down, and so does Bitcoin. Goes up and goes down. Ethereum goes up and goes down. But I want to be a miner. I want to sit here and make money around the clock. So when I'm sleeping, I'm making money. That's how you become wealthy, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make money. That's Tony Robbins' quote, by the way. But if many of you already know that. So this is what I'll be making weekly, about 300 bucks a week. This is with a 5,000 investment, about 300 a week. This is in 1 month, about 1,300 a month. How many of you would love to make 1,300 a month on autopilot? In a sense, this is exactly what this is, ladies and gentlemen. So this is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. In 6 months, about $8,000. That's $3,000 more than my investment in 6 months. Oh yeah, that's wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. Now you're getting paid in Bitcoin, okay? But this is what Bitcoin's going to be, and this is what the equivalent of that Bitcoin amount is, okay? So you're receiving in Bitcoin, and you keep it in your Bitcoin wallet and let it accrue. Put it in a blockchain, or put it in a wallet like blockchain and let it accrue there, because Bitcoin could possibly reach $5,000, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're sitting on five Bitcoins, almost 6 Bitcoin here, you know what that means. That means you could triple your money. So not only are you mining and making money, but you got it in blockchain where it's making even more money. This is how you're going to be able to buy those Bentleys. This is how you're going to be able to pay for your houses a lot sooner. This is the type of programs that you need to know about. This is why I'm making this video, to educate you, okay? There's a lot of programs out there that people are putting money in, and they're making 90 days so much money. The reality of it is volatile. The market is volatile. You can make money, you cannot make money, and to consistently pay that kind of money out, something's not right. Something's not right. So what we're doing, me and my partner, we're building an actual program, a Coinbase program, and it's going to be a trading company, ladies and gentlemen, so get ready for that. But I'm showing you live where we're going to be putting some money in different places. This company is going to be one of them. Okay, so when we pay you, you know where the money's coming from. Okay, but like anything else, there's risk involved. We're only going to be trading 5 days a week. I cannot wait to get it in our hands so we can show you exactly what we have to offer. If you guys don't want to join the program that we're building, the Coinbase program, that's fine. You can use my referral link and get into this program immediately. This is where I'm sending a lot of my family members because I believe that long-term growth with this company, and it's great to own Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the next best thing, and I can assure you of that. You guys fully understand the ramifications if you do not invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So, and this is my Ethereum wallet here. As you can see here, I'm making money here as well. So if I'm making a month 1,200 here, what am I making here monthly in Ethereum too? All right, so 1,200, 1,300. That's my mortgage. That's going to be my mortgage for my new home. That's right, about 1,500 a month. And guess what? It's going to be coming in for a month, every month for a year. Okay. Now let me give you some tips, because you have full control. You got control what hashes or what machines you use. This is a pool that you're in. See, this is a pool right here, and this is the percentage. You can change this once a week. So if you feel you're not making enough money, now this one I don't have any in just script. As you can see, it's 0. This is just, I'm just gonna test it so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So when you invest your money and you want to change the scripts, you can. Now just click on, if you click on I, it'll give you a quick explanation. Allocate your hash rate among up to 3 pools. Different combinations provide different profitability. You can change allocation once per day. So I already done that. Last week, what you can do is you click on settings, and it tells you via BTC, BW.com, and Antpool. And as you can see here, 34, 33, 33%. You can allocate and change the stats for how you want it to go. You see, and then you can save it, and that's where it's going to do most of the mining, here or here. Okay, so You have to decide. Again, it's going to be different for everybody. Think about it. The more knowledge you have about mining, the more ability you have about companies, and the more pools you're in. So these are people actually in the same pool as you. You click on this arrow, they have Slush, they have BTC China, and they got F2 pool. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm going to give you a little hint here. China's big in Bitcoin. India is big in Bitcoin. Now they're paying a lot more money in Bitcoin over there than we are over here. It's because, you know, there's only so much Bitcoin that's being passed around. So if you wanted to, okay, you can take, let's say 33, 32%, 35. I'm going to take BTC China. I'm going to add them. And I'm going to make them a bigger percentage. So if I wanted to just bump it up a bit, 37%, 28, and 35, and then hit save, and it's saving. Now here we go. Now it's going to save. So give it a second. Voila. Now it's done. So now, as you can see, BC China's there, BW.com, and Antpool. And now my stats have changed. Now take a look at the metrics every day, because you can see this is before I changed it, it went down, but Bitcoin prices went down a little bit. That's why it's showing that little dip. We're gonna see what happens with now these three pools and see how much money it makes. If it starts to decrease dramatically, then obviously you need to change it the next day. But if it starts to increase, then you've done something really well. See, this is the goal, ladies and gentlemen, is to make as much money as possible. So if you're able to do that with this company, you can see why. So you have a lot of control in what you can do here. And if you want to withdraw your money, hit this button right here. You hit this button and automatically withdraw. So what I'm doing is reinvesting it. So I have it on reinvest. So it's going to continue to reinvest. So just click on reinvest. If you want to keep reinvesting the money that you're making, or you can click withdraw, and then it'll go to the wallet of choice. So, but I'm reinvesting my money so I can continually make even more. So this will continually go up, go up, go up. So you get the idea. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm making about $1,500 a month sitting on my tush. Yes, I invested some money, but in a year's time, I mean, you can almost, you think about it. The more as I continue to add more and reinvest more. The company's been around for 3 years. They're doing really well. They made 11 million this year just in investments. I'm like, it's unbelievable what they're doing. I want to be a part of that company. And as you can see here, my money will grow in a year's time, that much money. Now, I don't know about you, but having something on the side that's making money like this on a yearly basis, that's a plus. You wanted a new boat, a new car, you wanted a toy, you want your toys, here's where you need to come, okay? Eventually this will be 30, 40,000, 50. I want to get this, my goal is to get this to $100,000 a year, okay? So you can imagine what I'll be making monthly. You know, I want this to look, my goal was to $5,000 a month. So I'll get this to $5,000 a month. I'll get it to maybe $1,000, $1,200, something a week, and just let it ride, autopilot money. So that being said, I appreciate you guys watching this video. My goal here is not to change, you know, to make you want to invest money here. My goal here is to educate you on what's out there. And this is another company that is out there and is accruing and making money with hash rate and cloud mining. Is cloud mining? There are a lot of companies that are no good. So keep that in mind. There are companies out there that will take your money and run. But these people have been transparent. But like anything else, I want to make sure you guys are aware. There is a risk involved, so only invest what you can. If you can't invest it, don't do it. Okay, it's very important that you understand that. We don't want you guys to hurt yourselves or your families, okay? So keep that in mind. So start off, if you want to start off, but start off small, okay? If you want to start off small and then work your way up. You can do that, okay? So keep that in mind. I will be adding my referral link below. I'll try to update you guys every week and show you how it's working, and maybe make a weekly video. If you guys want to get into Hash Rate Facebook page, if you guys want to get on a Facebook page, I'll create a Facebook Hash Rate page. But comment on the video below if you started with us, you use their link, referral link. We'll go ahead and get you guys into the group. Now I haven't started one yet, but I will if that's what you guys want, and we'll go ahead and we can chat, invite people, get them to better understand the program and so on, so we can build long-term stability, long-term friendships, and so on. So it's just a great thing when you incorporate and you build rapport with those around you who think alike. And there's no better way to make money than with those who help you make money. Okay, it's always a great thing. So any little extra helps. So all right, that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's 20 minutes long. I do apologize. I'll try to be shorter. I just wanted to show you a little bit more and what's happening with me. So this is real life money, ladies and gents. I don't know about you, but $300 extra every week, that can do buy me a new watch. I love watches, so you better believe I'm gonna be buying some more watches in my near future. So it's nothing but love here. And again, if you don't live on your means, have fun living. You live once. So that being said, take care. Have yourselves a wonderful. Today's Thursday, right? Oh my gosh, I lost track of time. Yes, today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Saturday, I'll be having my webinar for Platinum World Team Build. Love you guys. Take care. Have yourselves a wonderful weekend. I'll speak to you guys next week. Next week I'll have another video on investing in this company. Show you where I'm at, how much money I made, and so on and so on. So take care. Bye-bye for now.